Hey everyone, hope everyone out there is having an awesome day. Just going to be a quick video, and pretty much I wanted to give a update on a short channel that we actually been building, and this is the channel that we actually been growing so for about I think 30 to 60 days, and we started uploading videos. In the beginning stage, he was getting like very little views. Probably some videos were getting like 0 views like for like months. Okay, and but we pushed through, and it is very close to getting monetized, and I'm really excited to share with you about this channel that we actually been building. What I wanted to emphasize on this video is pretty much shorts channel are very trending at this stage, and also creators are getting paid a lot of money because of because YouTube is actually competing with TikTok. Okay, but YouTube is actually paying a lot more compared to what TikTok is actually paying. Okay, so pretty much we're creating faceless content on the short channel, and it is just exploding like big time. So let me share with you the screen. Also in the comment section, if you want to leave any further videos you want me to create, if you have any question, just let me know. But let me share with you the screen so I can share with you the channel and pretty much the analytics of the channel as well. So hopefully you can actually see my screen. So this is the channel that we actually been building, and pretty much it is so close to getting monetized now. Like, I'm really excited, and pretty much in the last say 90 days we hit close to about 7.5 million views, and now the channel has exploded. It's getting close to about 1 million views in the last 48 hours. Okay, and this number will actually increase because what's actually happening, YouTube is actually picking up the old videos as well, so the channel is just exploding. So you can see just a gradual increase in views and also subscribers. Just slowly is just started getting traction, and it just completely exploded now. Okay, and pretty much I'll share with you the channel as well once it's actually monetized. And what I actually did to find this niche, like there's a lot of niches actually trending at this stage, and like a lot of creators actually taking advantage of that. Okay, so instead of being a consumer, become a creator, and this platform is actually paying a lot of money to the creators like us. Okay, so what we have to do is just create faceless content, upload on YouTube, and pretty much YouTube has got millions of viewers. They watch our videos. From those views we make money through AdSense. Okay, so very simple process. Like, there's no selling involved here. You don't have to be a techie person, because we can actually hire like freelancers to actually create this video for you. So it is completely passive. Okay, and automatically we get views. From those views we get revenue. Okay, and the subscribers, as you can see, this channel has only got like close to about 5.5k subscribers, but also it's increasing. Our goal is to actually hit 1 million subscribers on this channel, and this won't take long, because each day, like once we get like 1 million views every 48 hours, we should be getting like at least 2,000 to 5,000 subscribers every single day coming in our channel. Okay, because it's just like a snowball effect. So slowly, gradually it's increasing, and like when it hits the peak, because what we can actually see is our competitors in this particular niche are getting close to like 100 million views every month consistently for years. Okay, so this niche won't go away. Very trending and also evergreen niche mixed together with it, and like very excited to share this with you. So let me know in the comment section if you actually started faceless channel. How's the journey going? Has your channel been monetized yet? And what sort of are you having with your problem? If you have any, leave in the comment section, and if you want me to create any further videos, let me know, and just gonna be a quick video on it to do. And hope you have an awesome day. God bless, and bye for now. Ta-da.